Maxim 49. An envious man is avaricious with the wealth of God and hates the guiltless as foes. I saw a crack-brained little man, not the crack we have nowadays, more like the whole, damaged of mind, reviling a possessor of dignity, who replied, "O fellow, if thou art unlucky, what guilt is there in lucky men? None." See, that's what we need to stop as this culture. Oh, it's the rich or it's the intelligent, or stop talking about superiority and deal with your own stuff, right? Don't complain about the supremacy of others. Deal with your own inferiority. Forbear to wish evil to an envious man, because the ill-starred fellow is an evil to himself. What needest thou to show enmity to him who has such a foe on the nape of his neck? And in the spiritual sense, who knows who's superior or not? All we know is that all we can figure out is, okay, right actions, right consciousness, intention, devotion, that sort of stuff.